UK's competition watchdog has introduced new conditions under which publishers will have the option to prevent their content from being used in Google's AI summaries, according to a Reuters report. The move comes amid growing concerns from publishers who say Google's AI summaries have led to a significant drop in click-through rates as users increasingly consume information directly from the summaries instead of visiting original news websites. Content crawling refers to the process in which a bot downloads data directly from websites and is at the center of this debate. Last year, the UK's Competition and Markets Authority designated Google with strategic market status in the general search sector. This designation has given the regulator enhanced powers to impose targeted requirements related to trust and transparency in the digital search market. Under the new regulatory framework, Google will also be required to ensure proper attribution by clearly displaying the source of content used in its AI summaries. The CMA said these measures are intended to give publishers greater control over their content and strengthen their bargaining power in negotiations with large tech platforms. In response, Google stated that it is already testing changes that allow publishers to decide whether their content appears in AI overviews. Google remains dominant in the UK search market, handling more than 90% of search queries. Its search crawler not only uses publisher content for AI overviews but also for training its AI systems, including Gemini. So viewers, do you think publishers have the full control over how their content is used in AI summaries? Let us know in the comment section. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.